What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of Square Photography, bringing you back another video to
Hi everybody, Jason Christine.
You can't hear it because I forgot a mic there up.
Hi everybody, JC Christine, all love.
As you can see, guys, it is now JC Christine is back with us with another video. Today is going to be nothing about the 35mm lens that I have, and all we're going to do is shoot nothing but natural light. This is kind of like at 5 o'clock, kind of sitting at the 5 o'clock time range. And we found this little shadowy spot because it is still kind of harsh light, and I kind of like this whole area right here with the dress. It kind of gives out that rugged metal vibe, almost like that metal vibe like back in the 80s almost type situations, to be honest with you. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and knock this out right here, doing nothing but natural light. We're going to shoot nothing but the 35mm lens. JC, you want to say anything else to the people here?
Thanks for watching.
And of course, if you want to work with Jace, all the stuff is going to be in the description box below. Of course, would have popped up screen by freaking now. Ready to get to work?
Yep.
She's ready to get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
We doing some tests?
No, this is all natural. We're ready to roll.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're already ready to roll. Well, maybe I lied. I'm not ready to roll.
Psych.
Psych. Let's see. It's a little bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna go out of manual mode. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're just gonna snap these. I ain't gonna tell you 1, 2, 3. Just keep moving. Good job. All right, now let me get you on this little wall part right here, on the very scoot of that. Yeah. If you can work right there.
Hi, sorry.
Oh yeah, sure. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to mess up y'all stuff. My bad. Yeah, I think this will work out. Yes, I can have you link because I want to take advantage of this, that right there. I'm gonna take advantage of that wall. So you can kind of put your leg up too much, but I'm gonna kind of really try to take advantage of that wall right here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Perfect, JC. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is perfect. These are nice. Let's do that again. I do like those poses. Those poses are solid though.
I don't even know what.
Here we go. Yeah, you had to. Yep, here we go. I'm gonna get a little closer. Yeah, perfect, Jace. Keep working. Yeah. Oh, this is perfect.
I'm like, what's that?
Yeah.
I'm like, my artist mind is like, there's so many different ways I could pose right now. What do you mean?
Yeah. Good job. Look at me. Look right at me. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. All right, now let's go out here. Let's start right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Like that, yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is perfect. You hold that pose. I gotta get longer with you on this one. Yeah, there we go. Go ahead. I love that. Hold that, I'm gonna try to, hopefully I can avoid this blue door. Oh yeah, that's solid, stay right there. I'm gonna try to angle some more. So I like your foot the way it was. Yep. Nice job, nice job. Solid. Oh, hold that, hold that. Okay. All right, go to the next one. Oh no, you're not in our way at all. All right. Let's knock it out, right?
I actually hug my feet really well.
All right, let's knock it off right here. All right, you ready? I know, I'm just.
My hair's sticky to me. It probably looks like crazy sex hair now.
Your hair's sticking, I'm sitting here like, fuck.
Okay.
I'm just like, oh my God. I just want to get it done. I want to get over it. I want to go home. That's what I keep thinking. I'm like, I just want to get this over with and go home now.
Baby.
All right, here we go. I think a good wide stance would be good on this one. Yeah. Do wide stance on these. Yeah. We'll get a little lower now. Oh, yeah, look that way like he was. Look that way. Yeah, and hold that. Yeah. Okay, coming back up. All right. Bring your legs with. Yeah, actually, that's pretty cool. Yeah. What you're thinking there, that's actually pretty cool.
You like that?
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
I have my leg there saving me.
I was gonna say, because it looked like you was going overboard there. Yeah, hold that. Oh, yeah, Jason. I gotta figure out my right angle for this one. Yeah, do that again. Tell me when you're ready, because I'm gonna snap them fast. Okay, go.